Not only are IKEA hacks fun and enjoyable to do, they can provide you with a unique one-of-a-kind item that nobody else has. All these pieces featured in this video do not look like they were originally IKEA items. They look expensive, well-made, and even heirloom quality. If you want unique, budget-friendly items for your home, consider these 10 amazing IKEA hacks that you can do in just a weekend. 1. Gold and Marble Side Table Hack. This hack uses the Vichjo table and turns it into a beautiful gold and marble piece of furniture. Nobody will know this was bought originally from IKEA. 2. Bar Cart Hack. A bar cart can be a fun, useful piece of furniture for your home, but pre-made bar carts can be pretty expensive. This hack takes an IKEA laptop table and turns it into a beautiful, budget-friendly bar cart. 3. IKEA Dresser to TV Stand. In just a weekend, you could create a beautiful piece of furniture that you will love for years and years. A classic piece of useful furniture that looks so stylish and will be admired by everyone you know. 4. Stickwood Bed Headboard Hack. IKEA hacks for headboards are cheaper and more stylish than anything you can buy. This hack uses stickwood, which is adhesive wood paper. I think you will agree it makes an incredibly stylish headboard. 5. Mudroom Hack. If you are in need of a mudroom, even just a little one, try a hack for that. This mudroom hack uses the IKEA Brusali TV unit and the Ekby Hemnes shelf. It makes up such a stylish mudroom unit for your home and family. 3. Reclaimed Wood Buffet. This hack is just so amazing, and is such a great example of how a hack can just totally transform an IKEA piece. If you need a sideboard or buffet for your dining room, this is a wonderful hack to try. 7. Mopey Apothecary Storage Chest. The IKEA Mopey unit is just calling out to be decorated and hacked. This hack can be done easily in a weekend, takes that plain yet stylish unit and turns it into a beautiful vintage-style apothecary cabinet. 8. Lego Table. If you are tired of your kids' Lego bricks being scattered all over the house, or you just need a Lego workstation for them to use, this hack is perfect. Taking an IKEA Lax side table, you can turn it into something amazing and useful. 9. Dipped Stools. These beautiful dipped leg stools will look perfect anywhere in your home. Stools are so useful to have around, not just as help reaching heights, but also they can be used as little side tables. 10. DIY Modern Vanity using Ekby Alex. If you need a vanity desk in your bedroom, but space is an issue, or if you need a desk for you or a family member, consider hacking IKEA's Ekby Alex unit. This hack puts modern legs onto the unit to create a beautiful vanity desk that will be beautiful as well as functional.